Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god. Hey everybody. Okay, look, I'm back, kind of. This is just a quick little McDonald's video, just to give y'all a life update. Sure, they ain't put no salt on my fries. We're having a quarter pounder with cheese and bacon deluxe. It better have lettuce and stuff on here. Okay. Lord Jesus. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that is hot. Okay. Let me get my little crusty piece of bacon. We on location, y'all. We're gonna talk about it. Hold on. We're having sweet tea today. Yep. Blessed Lord. Okay. All right. So, we're at my mom's house today because her don't feel so good. Child, let me tell you something. Life has been lifing, okay? I hope everybody had a wonderful Father's Day. Happy Juneteenth. And I don't mind for the culture shirt today. And my afro earrings. This is the first time I put on lipstick in weeks, okay? Weeks. I left Dark and Lovely at home with her brothers, TJ and Q. Bedside McDonald's, your days is numbered, okay? Because, baby, these fries is not the best. How y'all been, for real, before I listen? This is the first day that I don't sound like I have all kinds of sinus stuff going on. This is the first day I felt like myself. So, thank you for all your prayers and thought. This has been a battle, okay? A battle. Trying to feel better so I can help take care of my mama. My sister has been staying over here and helping her. But my sister is more of a pushover than me. So now Nurse Ratchet is in the house. Sorry, Mom, but yeah. The summer watch list is coming out. I'm going to make a formal video for that. There's a lot on the list. And you have the whole summer to watch. One thing about being sick, all I could do is watch TV. My family wouldn't let me do nothing else. Oh. Child, this is gonna be a mess. I have lettuce, tomatoes, bacon. I'll be daggone. That is a chicken sandwich. This is supposed to be a quarter pounder. I'm sorry. Look at the bacon is burnt. I'm so angry right now. Oh, I knew I should have checked. All right, we're going to eat this anyway because I'm hungry and I'm tired and I don't feel like getting in the car and going to cuss people out. Little baby Jaden at the window. This is a chicken sandwich, okay? Jaden was new, y'all. I'm so frustrated. Again, life has been lifing, including and not limited to my food. Whatever. That's because the chicken is slightly burnt. They thought it was a burger. This is real life, y'all. Real life. I just ran in here, set up real quick, and got on the camera. Did not look at the food before I left the drive-thru. Because on the box, it clearly says quarter pounder. I don't know what. The receipt on the outside says quarter pounder with cheese. On what planet is chicken quarter pounder? So while I was trying to get better, my mom got a little under the weather. And like I said, my sister has been trying to take care of her and stuff. But Nerd Ratchet is in the building. We're going to get her back to normal real quick. I ain't got time for this. Health-wise, I still haven't been able to take my medicine that usually suppresses my immune system because of that cold. And hopefully by Thursday, I will be completely done with all this snot. And we are eating food and she talking about snot. Anyway, hopefully I'll be done with the snot so that I can take the medicine and get my joints back to normal. Because currently every joint that I have hurts. It does. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Today is Juneteenth, and they made it a federal holiday. So, if you had the day off, great. Full disclosure, and this is embarrassing to admit, I was a whole adult before I knew what Juneteenth was or about. Okay? I'm trying to remember, honestly, I don't remember ever seeing a Juneteenth celebration in the areas I lived in. I've been back in Florida for 17 years. I think I've seen 1 or 2 Juneteenth celebrations here in Florida, in the Orlando area specifically. Yes, I said Pacific. But yeah, I really didn't know much about it until most recently, just learning the history of it and what it was about and why we should celebrate it. But is it really something to celebrate? I don't know how I feel about it. To me, we're celebrating the fact that people got extra years of slavery out of us for free when we was free. Yeah, shouldn't have never been enslaved in the first place. I guess we're celebrating the freedom of it all, but we're also celebrating the lies of it all. That's just my opinion. You can tell me how you feel in the comments. Just be respectful. I'm still learning about the history of it or whatever, but so I hope that you guys are learning your own history. I'm still learning mine. There's so much that I don't know and I want to know. So I'm going to do my best to learn more about it and have my kids learn more about it. Side note, I think I know now why I didn't really care for the Avatar movies. I watched both of them over this last couple of days. They're both very long. The first one I fell asleep on so many times when my husband was with me, and I couldn't get into it for some reason. I come to realize the reason why I don't care for it that much is because of the colonizer aspect of the movie. The sky people, which is basically the humans, come in to Pandora and try to take over everything, just so they can get some mineral or whatever they was trying to steal from the people. But that's how this world is, actual world. People are always trying to come into a territory that's not theirs to steal a resource that's not theirs, to make it theirs and claim it as theirs and take over. So, you know, in the movie they referred to the Avatar people as the indigenous people, and I was just like, So basically you just came in and stole it from the indigenous people? Funny how that's very relevant to what happened to a lot of countries. I said what I said. I ain't offer y'all none because this is not the greatest. So, I ain't gonna keep y'all for this half behind meal. It was not great. I'm getting ready to fix my mom some food. Some real food. And get her back to health. BT Dubs, there's a cake video that should be dropping after this video. My daughter needs to edit it She was so tired. My baby made this delicious TikTok pasta that she found. It's like a garlic parmesan pasta. Yeah, did I record it? No, because we were both tired. It was a long day. I was highly stressed and didn't want to bring that energy to the camera. So, and she also made that cake. She made a chocolate caramel deliciousness. I don't even know what it's called, but you'll see that video coming out after this one. So yeah, thank y'all so much for joining me. Thank you for your well wishes. Thank you for watching the videos previous to this to keep me in the algorithm. I appreciate each and every one of you for your support. If you would like to join the channel, go on and hit that join button. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go on and subscribe, girl. It's a good time. I promise you, I have better food than this any other time. But today, McDonald's played me. It's fine. I played myself because I shouldn't have went to McDonald's in the first place. That's neither here nor there. All right? I just want to come on here and tell y'all I'm all right. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm all right. I'm okay. I feel like myself again. Hey, I feel like myself again. Okay. Calm down. Everybody relax. Excuse me. For my ride or dies, y'all already know what I'm getting ready to say. I love you, and ain't nothing you can do about it. I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.